How to turn on or turn off keyboard character preview on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down. And from here, tap on general management. Next, tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Then scroll down. And then tap on swipe, touch, and feedback. In here, tap on touch feedback. And then tap on character preview to turn it off or switch it on. So what is the keyboard character preview? So here, if I bring up the keyboard, every time I type, every time I tap on the key, you can see there is a pop-up preview. So here, if we switch it off, so touch feedback and then character preview. So here, if I bring up the keyboard again this time, you can see when I tap on the key, it does not show the pop-up preview. And that's it. So that is how you can turn it on or off. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.